This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the screen lock on Signal. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Signal app. To enable or disable the screen lock, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Now on the Settings page, I'm going to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy, and tap on Privacy. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways further, down to the App Security section, and in the App Security section right here is Screen Lock. It says Use Touch ID to unlock Signal. I'm going to toggle on Screen Lock. And then down below that, I would choose the screen lock timeout. I'm going to tap on the 15 minutes there. I can set it for after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, instant, or cancel. I'm just going to cancel it. And to toggle off the screen lock, I'm just going to toggle it off. Now it is disabled. That is how to enable or disable the screen lock on the Signal app. Thanks for watching.